Now we will see abstract class in C Sharp. Abstraction in C Sharp is the process to hide the internal details and showing only the functionality. The abstract modifier indicates the incomplete implementation. The keyword abstract is used before the class or method to declare the class or method as abstract. The abstract modifier can be used with indexes, events and properties. Now we will see abstract class. An abstract class is an incomplete class or special class that we can't instantiate it. The purpose of an abstract class is to provide a blueprint for derived classes and set some rules about what the derived classes must implement when they inherit an abstract class. We can use an abstract class as a base class, and all derived classes must implement abstract definitions. An abstract class can contain both abstract and non-abstract methods, but it must contain at least one abstract method, which is marked by the keyword or modifier abstract in the class definition. While working with abstract class, remember following points. An abstract class can contain both abstract methods and non-abstract methods. It can contain both static and instance variables. It cannot be instantiated, but its reference can be created. If any class contains abstract methods, then it must be declared by using the keyword abstract. An abstract class can contain sealed methods, but an abstract method or class cannot be declared as sealed. A subclass of an abstract class can only be instantiated if it implements all the abstract methods of its superclass. Such classes are called concrete classes to differentiate them from an abstract class. Features of abstract class are as follows. An abstract class can inherit from a class. It can implement code with non-abstract methods also. It can have modifiers for methods and properties, etc. It can have constants and fields. Also, it can implement a property. Abstract class can have constructors or destructors. Abstract classes cannot be inherited from structures, and it cannot support multiple inheritance. While defining abstract class, some fundamental rules must be followed. An abstract class can never be instantiated, but its reference can be created. It cannot be static. An abstract class cannot be sealed because both the modifiers have opposite meaning, but it can contain sealed methods. It cannot be inherited by structures. Non-abstract classes cannot have any abstract members. An abstract class that implements an interface might map the interface methods onto abstract methods. Abstract classes cannot be used for achieving multiple inheritance. It cannot override an abstract member as abstract again. It can override the virtual member as abstract also. That is known as re-abstraction. Abstract classes can redefine the concrete member of the base class as abstract also by new keyword that is known as shadowing. Now we will see why to use abstract class. Abstract classes are used to achieve abstraction and security that we use in abstract classes. Normally we can use the abstract class when we create framework for the project. In .NET frameworks, there are a lot of abstract classes. Normally we must have to declare the class as abstract if the class contains any abstract members, the class does not provide implementation to any of the methods of the inherited interface, and the class does not provide the implementation of the base class abstract methods. While defining abstract class, remember some points. If a class has an abstract method, it should be declared as abstract by using the keyword abstract, else it leads to a compile time error. And the subclasses of an abstract class should be override all the abstract methods, or it should be declared as abstract. Difference between abstract and inheritance are: abstract class doesn't provide full abstraction, whereas interface provides full abstraction. Abstract class keyword is used to create abstract classes. Interface keyword is used to create interfaces. Abstract class can have fields, interface cannot have field. An abstract class can have implementation for some of its members, that is methods. Interface can't have implementation for any of its members. Abstract class members can have access modifiers. Interface members can't have access modifiers. Abstract class members can be private by default, which can be changed. Interface members can be public by default, which cannot be changed. Abstract class can inherit from another abstract class or another interface, whereas interface can inherit from another interface only and cannot inherit from an abstract class. Here we will write a program to explain how abstract class works. For this, first we will define abstract class, and in this abstract class we will define abstract method. Since it is abstract method, we are not going to write contents of it, and then we will define another class and we will inherit the abstract class. Here we will override the abstract method. In this we will write console.writeLine method from abstract class. Then in another class we will create object of this class. First we will instantiate the abstract class, ABS class A equal to new ABS class 1, and we will call the method and we will execute it. It will display the message method from abstract class.